Matis omo
Nana. Edi asem no omo ka fa 24-hour economy no ho. Yon beka ne so omo aye.
So many issues.
24-hour economy dey no omo beka fa ho.
So beka say motima ma stabilize the economy. Obviously.
Me ba yem fa nsem no baako.
Matis omo kura ka be say physical discipline. Feature baako beka. Omo to niema sesika bi anka be nwinwina gu. Kwa no me ade. Omo to twantokuro. Omo beka kyerega.
Nya wotre.
Omo be kyerega na so mo twesika e dey ama university for. Me nka sa mo but e likely so beka. Omo di ko school. Asomasen omo saka mate sideline no mate so omo ka bibi kwa say omo amanka phrases no kwa collapse omo be chirem so my ene akwan omo so omo ye masia akwan omo so omo ye akra kumasi road number of intervention be so omo ye tamale bolga be bia
na to bet me a devil's advocate wow
ene atin edi wadanse ana
ejina na me say update on 24-hour economy na update be no mo de be my. The only update on Betty Media man is our friend is saying, promising a 24-hour economy. Say a bar, a juma biano, any pamiensa, na ye dinner than a Danny Prensa, 3 shifts. Na said a bear month in a benya juma. Aye. 24-hour economy. Now I have a copy of the document. Oh, madam office is here. Afeni ye the 24-hour economy document in beko parliament. Afiko.
Is it any formalized crime?
Me say afiko, nana. Me say afi eko.
Financial and the air kwan akaka.
Nana say local government minister Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Says ye betimi fight galamsey ye omani behia $10 billion.
Eska no person request ko gidi anase
ohene
so mo timi kika sa
niema na ye ne dia
cheska dia
me ba nsem a ye ka dia brabra se galamsey ko no yentumi enko eho. Why are you going to get a $10 billion United States dollar to fight galamsey? It's a signal say enipa no omo hunu say enkoyi and you want to can say adodanko akufo entimi fight galamsey because we need the political will. We need honkeka say what they be fight galamsey. Ewra John Mahama wa honkeka
omokan
Ewra Mahama sisi wa honkeka what they be fight galamsey.
Say it's too early.
Adia was see galamsey no although no enyenso so no ye were 4 million economy manfo enye dwuma eyewom na yegunu say nipa 4 million no ye de omo fa he afei yo galamsey die na nso so say ne gafes no nanka mo omo free India ne China nomini ayi na no mo fa kuntina say eto gold no na we grad is any gold board eto sa adianya ye means be the justify.
Yes,
it's a sign of failure. Absolute sign of failure. No. Akraba kwa ye wo no from sa mining zones no. Na kokromuti ebohom ye no. Ne nsan nan ye wo all right. Ba kokromuti no ebohom ye no. Entina ese ne ma me de ne ba ne in operation ye twa baako efri ho. No timenya ba. Oh yes. Say nkontomre ni ma me no me no ye di no kumase se nyina no say ewo efri all those areas are ye di bi. Enso de ayasam. Abrantia baako ene na all platforms or a poultry farmer. Say enso no kra no wudi bi kra man kokko no kra na nkokko no kra no muntimi nto.
Galamsey emunsuo no.
Enti wo hene what kind of update not be called parliament? Oh, parliament no akakatre and say okoko yi levy and we betting 10% betting tax, right?
My boys in the JPA.
Right?
Yeah.
But at the same time, why introduce taxes? There's 6 special, import duties by 1%. Growth and sustainability levy, 2%. Now 1%. Only the core of rent is 3%. At the end of the necessary by 2025, we are year free or watch him at the 2028. What is here? Insurance. Anti petroleum year to the 1 cedi per liter. And out so taxes upon taxes upon taxes upon taxes. And Nana, and the here because as I say, we are said there will be more taxes. A few way, Sikan, if Raman on it, Eba or Manimu.
Budget temporary.
There will be more taxes.
No, the taxes for.
There will be more taxes.
Hey, Neseka Mahama, you
may say a few way.
Tie, me the beginning.
Tie, a few way.
Rather than make fiscal discipline measures.
Oh, Minya, tie me a few way. Or many revenue as a Sankiyan a coffum because say one. Sidino Ahuadino Epijayano. Import duties. Abafom. And the government revenue is when you're abafom. Abafom by 30%. 30% decline. Foreign remittances, sky free amount on it, any anomaly and so abafom by 50%.
Now the more no muniscan, I send the Ghana.
Oh, there be no
America said Trump by Niemen Koye, France the Question and say on the sea.
Okay. Exchange rate, you know, a bar form, no, the other effect in this, Nana Obi is signifie. I don't go to pencil, no, the Sikabano Kodania dollar, no, when you're 15.5. I'm not saying the dollar rate should be high, but 15.5. Na auto cementa. Cement near best 90. And then 90 and then 95 Ghana cedis. Now say on the bar, of course, about you win 13. But what you say? The horse so the any the bedjuma. Bank the any here, Ubinya Bia, chance was me and Sanchi. What you say? Now on Saka say no. What do you call cementa a year 120 and now 130? Do you get the twist? Yes. And the foreign remittances are drop big. I'm talking about Bank of Ghana saying yes, I mean so let's be aware. Say there will be more taxes. I didn't make us Ghana Revenue Authority Amradwa or Dan or yeah, me classmate at University of Ghana. Wakasa ombeko taxi cryptocurrency.
Confirmation.
Oh, thank you. So
digital, as I quite digital,
exactly. And so when I'm hinting say tax, yes, because
crypto no reliable.
Well, yeah, it's really growing. It's really growing.
Global market stage.
Yes, really growing.
But my for manipulating system defraud don't call for cryptocurrency.
So as I said, defense mechanism and as I said, protection and as I very strong. You mentioned LGBTQ. Yera Sam George, I can say Yera Mahama Banese one sign or resign. Or can even communication service tax, CST. Communication service tax or Kaze.
They're now for friend talk tax.
They are now for talk tax. On the Raban reduce the chassis.
In the crate.
What chassis with 2%. No chassis they replace import duties on mobile phones. If we say I'm for the mobile phone no bar, normally I should name them intina buying your any tour. And a Raban reduce as finance minister because any yama can no be on the mobile phone in your day. Emurem. Nese oba na o kasa.
Near tax.
Near 2%. 2%, NDC for by offering saying 2009. Ano mo pije mo.
Doctor, because I'm a baby do. Many edit maybe sometime because I could afford the idea was say one out on sales mano. Talk tax.
Yo, what you say? And some of so from 2% into 6%. That's at the time I move free at Bemo 2016. I don't go to buy. Na ote so de ba 5%. It's later COVID by a honchre by necessary. Omo pejam later omo pejamu they call I think 11%. Yeah, no next year na COVID by na yeah niema bebre online no. Man fo sua de online sa niema no. Anom sa de till so ba 5%. So, here Sam George, the honest opinion as Minister for Communication and Digital Technology no. emra no opposition and they say any communication service sucks in free ho. In dealing with the budget, the development on offense saying women's development bank, and they saying say it we still 1 million and this fusion on the Nkoma Adiom Kafa and they say there is seed money of 51 million Ghana cedis. Abra government communication say 78 million. It tells you government priorities.
Budgets never always expect to say women's bank no.
How do you operationalize it? Because you see commercial banks no warm capitalization no 400 million. Now as a matter of fact, one promise
adequate capital ratio.
Yes, one promise of friend is saying microfinance and one promise rural bank and one promise savings and loan and one promise universal bank almost a development bank, women development bank
as a full-blown bank.
But development bank acquired in the capital no was 800 million Ghana cedis. It be a 1.2 billion depending on what friend is say industry any how a category or belong to. We also belong to category A, B, or C. What I say? Women Development Bank. I'm talking about a whole 1 year. What is the update on Women's Development Bank? And it's shocking. Say Ghanaians are very quiet. But what what friend is saying? Your internal primaries ni na afe yen CCCC yen penning for pillars and it's going to be critical analysis of the NDC 1 year. Now saying what to say you say mahama by is barely 10 months into no there say come on yeah, I agree, but the point is that then why are you in the presidential race?
Oh, so time.
It is not a criticism. It's about you working as opposition leader or leaders, putting the government on its toes. Say, Bema, how you do not tia M1? How you do not tia M1? Say the ecosi M1. Metia Minka Development Bank herself. Okay. Our friend is saying, the big push.
My dear, no.
The big push is also supposed to be $10 billion.
That's right.
Bema, big push is for infrastructure for whole of this year. Even owns a big push akokura.
But and there's so many prepare. Infrastructure so
na budget Parliament for 2026. And I say parliamentary parliament no so the budget no kwa. You need to give account of the previous parliament or budget no etumo. You need to provide an update. What I'm asking is that what kind of update are they going to give in terms of big push? The government's singular infrastructure policy. That's the argument that I'm asking. So 1 year no almost certain number of chip compounds. 1 year no how many chip compounds and normally see. Let me forgive them about what friends say, even Agenda 111, which is what district hospitals and as a regional hospitals and as psychiatric hospitals. Let me just put those things aside. What about their major health infrastructure policy, which is on friends say chip compounds? How many? And you want to tell me the chip compounds no? We've been here 2, 3, 4 years, and Sana was the chip compounds to come and then with the baby 12 on things say this is what I have done and no. So these are the issues. Because they say can't say my
acquire now terms a big push no. As I'm 0.7 which is about constructing upgrade the Eastern Corridor. A rail line number Ombeya, no that town of Kumasi. Ombeya extended 2 corridors to the north for freight and of course passenger services. Ombeya side in Nanti. And so they are committed say by the end of 3 years near who sign say at least progress be
what do I not doing ebi ngo so I know the dong and yeah ebi nana you were talking about no stress-free policy. How many people And then you when say system me no ka say
no fees no.
Yes,
stress free.
me no ka say say e bi nya hwe and the scan so crans almost adanse enkwara ne nsem omo nya bi no dansa enkwara ne nsem but what you say enti parents no a opese o man e burden no ekofom no ono who say it is be grammar. And the point is that me ba university or yeah law there's a metia 9,000 per year. Na say obedience so or no so you 3,000 per year. How much across board now person de mobia? Na say utia nyina 2,500 assuming without admitting. I didn't know better was catch him say me ba first year fees what year. Abra a year 9,000. Can you watch be a what declare scholarship be of 2,000 across board? That is fair, but don't mean fancy to say first year full fees why they wafa every university. Unim this year they gave a big promise to our friend saying more senior high school, private senior high schools. Some me and so be absorb no.
True to your words,
you know what is happening.
Computer selection by
may say in community government commitment award ya ne say obetua tuition fee of 994 where we boarding no as parents na the tia and what's it boarding as parents na and I say etua. Yes, I'm telling you. What about school fee? Your friend say school uniforms and other uniforms are. Or friend say enkwara echo free SHS are. Yede more free. You see what I mean? So me kasi yebenyamra. On education, can say teacher lunch and say exams on pa umbichem.
Okay.
That's the omonchro.
Omunyanchwe.
This what we no don't you be mo.
Oman penia kam.
Now what you say? On one kasane cabinet, me feel say one of the best decisions the mahama cabinet it decided here was say ebema teacher lunch and exams aba. Graphic first page, I think was somewhere November, December 2016. Front page. And then on be roll out teacher lunch and exams in 2017. And about ever 2 years why and she FFF and what was so open to me was a teacher lunch and exams to be here for buy one more tro. So nana media the me who say update or the bebano update no the ebia emube hwamama wo mo enya Ghana for any so by way chief justice. Me you sure say update no
the be my and say bia
no the be ya where the office and this is why you complete. It tells you where the government priority is.
No, the bafu bonia.
Niema or dear sin and this war pen wire and 10 term no.
Yes,
yeah, Chief Justice say no actually pefe say no the priority than big push, than agenda 111, than 24-hour economy, than LGBTQ. Yes, that is where his priority is. Okay, so what kind of update are we expecting? Communication Service Tax said they can hear Sam George Castle or buy you, but through within first year. John Mahama, one more year through. This is one sector minister. Communication Service Tax in the home. Or buy it, you hear any DSTV and Honto. I know where. That's the how do I quote him? Yeah, we're going to go in by already. As I almost so. I want so. Okay.
Package.
Now look at what is happening for the school placement and selection system. See, car. Our phone movie. Efa kuntrasi etua ansana
omo say ade am for computer selection e buy
matisa
school challenges no wana
this omo de ndie say ade a double abi won so akra na de omo je na triple and you know say
charge won chen
say a triple so what you say ya no minister as is looking at getting a new system. You know, and for the school placement and selection system. So see, I'm no say. See, I'm here. I've been running into cash and carry system, national health insurance scheme. If we say
health insurance.
Yeah. System, information system.
Yes.
No, say won't follow news. Just won't follow news. Won't follow news. Some man for hospital. Say no. Internet ni more information systems platform ni na down.
Health insurance.
Yes. And to acquire it mean verify.
Now okay.
Oh yo.
And visa hono be more research in the call.
Oh Bema. This is the most topical issue in the health sector today. Sisi ameno ka say. And to see antimi or the national health insurance card no call ni antimi am verify who say indeed nana uni or card na valid say ni say yeah. And this is show manually. How do they determine say national health insurance no near the show free
system verification materials
any operations ni any operations ni na who do open Google you read
since when
is the most recent issue. Rani say yeah. And I'm surprised.
That's what because be NDC buy health insurance.
Oh, say yeah no dear. Say once again said the era Haruna Idrisu. Tie. Say era Haruna Idrisu ka say one more person change school placement system. No. But what you say? In the same way any era Kando and so is seeking to change the offense saying company na woman running sa or Fred say digital or information systems for Ghana Health Service. Oh, was it? I'm not lying to you. Other findings, people can confirm what I'm talking about. Idea yeah by way priority, and they say buy a number for a new one now already. So I don't see updates here or the parliament any improvements about. Okay, so Nana, that is about that. Okay.
Now, I'm say the obi so eka. Of course, party for floor. Me gidi yese omo free MPP mo anisa. There Yera Island there by UPA or there by.
Oh, okay.
I'm say omuni pa ba kura echrim. Say opanyini nanado. Obaye no. Mo MPP for mo disika basa. Or you see where unprecedented. Say near wanton destruction of whole of things. Says mudia mudinemo basa. Yes, I also I say corruption era. It be NC Africa crowd das. I said no person can say unprecedented and so you saw now too strong a word. Inti a young prosecutor no. Emran chino. Nem faden ko asendibia. No mu ni ekufodo asem. Solomon nasemo kan on na kasama sa UP for no.
Say no ntina UP no enye party papa no.
Hey. UP din kase aba obakosem da obi dia kofa aba wo say enye party papa.
Debe enye party papa.
No dey misra wo dey enye appropriate kakra. Say this.
Eno kra so na make catch no.
Someone atten for frafe na mo.
Oh, me high ho.
New party.
Me high ho hwe yen hya sem free MPP mu. Professor Buzia Epenso Progress Party no.
PP.
Yenia Penny Bako near friend Joe Apia, non friend Uncle Joe.
Massive businessman.
Yeah, or Tiene Party. Me ba Joe what you say?
Angel.
Abano Buzia Echo ahead. Echo ko wini. Me namesake Charles Rekubro Betazan. And so at I think Ghana United Parties and so United Movement be UGM
United Ghana Movement. I remember.
Yeah, or the contested for election 2000.
I nentis not.
Abra papa for and so eko for one winning.
Kufo winning kra.
But what you say? So another person that will free MPP Akokoti party need you and him for the draw. Among examples. But yanko NDC.
But didn't we do?
Maybe yanko NDC. Oh, Bema. Maybe. I'll come to the statistics.
Okay.
Here, a friend is saying NDC. Yeah, Penzo, near university. Professor knows no me lecturer. And era Rollins Befano Kokoye vice president. Swedo declaration.
That's true.
Ya me Antoaba. Ain't for the Tigui, and you guzitando. Okoti the party. Kedes no. And a guzidanto, John Jera Mahama Ejuma, on in charge of 24-hour economy. Ni party na wahin. Ayirem, ayesesa, ayiran system. Sana lawyer Dr. Obeda Samoa.
DFP.
Yeah. And so tie oni Rebel Francis the same no. Kofodia. Nana, wahin. Agu. Ye yankasa ye nua pani. Arguably, the most popular first lady of Ghana, Yenyano, and very influential. Kuna do Ajman Rawlings. What town could do?
No, in Hong
As in America. Okotu DFP, and I'm NDP.
Omni Nemusa.
Say the party. Almost call a friend saying Okobi. A friend saying Ipaka. Is you know what I mean? So on free main party mun konkote rival party be a man in Yetman. But see, if you really want to join even a smaller party, it shouldn't be that one that's funded by Ira like Shamating. No. Elections here, when you're 31,000 plus. Cheddar, he had no name in Ghana political history. When you're 84,000 plus.
Richard.
Then if I really want to tout somebody to my party, I would tout,
what the Cheddar Siwo. Cheddar Alan Siwo.
I would tout. Me person, Cheddar for the numerical strength. 84,000 plus. Open Google. What do you say? 84,000 plus heading towards 90. But what you say? And to me say me see me know to we say ye primary C Dr. Mundba Omia comfortable lead wa when ye na me to table ho near CM strategic alliance be who should we try and bring on board and all of that. I will recommend Cheddar.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why?
First entry in Ghanaian politics, 84,000. Yoruba Martin has been lurking around in 2000, under Papako 4, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024, and you go alone forming your own movement and you go and score 31,000. That's not going to be formidable. And as a matter of fact, so we just Pozu Yera Musa Dankwa. I Pola the 63% of the disgruntled New Patriotic Party members they support Mahmoud Bawumia. One more no me MPP for before ni bibi ni na se popi e
mama kama sam ne de keka
ha mu nchichemu aduasia miensa say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na MPP for mfanimra no mbidi na chi e de na call election 2028. And within this context, if you form a party, I can see how everybody wants to join the winning party. Everybody.
And it's true.
Everybody wants to join the winning party.
So party ni winia. So we did the form crown. I'm saying yes, and our party no opposition. I general secretary also.
Yeah, I mean, any paper bread didn't cheat. I'm more political career. Basa. Even minimum one or no more. A core primaries yeah when ya or team movement or team movement more money. And so you see so a bit to say a friend say a rabbi a friend say abenasare nom slighted nom ni some people form penning for we saying na can say bye bye because they are there for the party. I take this opportunity to salute Collins. Mensha North. David Mensha North. Chief Collins. Yeah, because I don't say no one meeting where was no. I mean, only the party is not say Opala and Shamatiasam. You wanted Alan to be presidential candidate and president, but when it doesn't mean say. Offering say free people, and there are more and more people and Marasipobi woman ebejoin. I think that it's just the beginning. What you say, And you know, if you want to have a brilliant political future for this country, I don't think that Alan Martin
by any issues now. And I need to Solomon Usun and Semanoka. Nanado or some better Nakunya MPP.
But Solomon Usun
National Cathedral want to 2 from San Sonia. Well, 5 million Montevideo, 1 eye David Ajayi, Jikokodi. Where are the much candidates house? I go part the door, you know, and I'm a Ghana MPP. What was said for Kwabai? What was said, and near me, no. And I say Asante Koye research na meka ho. Eniema mienu eha MPP. Enso so ayekoye audit. MPP ho so. Die di kan Mama Cecilia abna dapa. Ye tisi form no. Se o pesa wo hwe amanfo omo perception of corruption so omo nka ade baako ana mienu. Express abano katasisha na se proya MPP for no
MPP for no you lose your research no research now per se na ujitum se bia abano katasisha proya komu oni akọ ka se ania now so any mame examples beza ba kwa na mi no ombeka mame Cecilia Dapa de omaka National Cathedral Cecilia Dapa
allegations say so no
American for yes investigation here in you know on my day so a Deloitte and Touche and I have friends who are partners there almost so call audit National Cathedral na ekwa say what you say you know besides no anytime say party no any party is obi had on say so when him say president bia crown or immunity
ultimate president so be our ex-president Ghana immunity
what's that where we corner I think is our yes
indemnity clause
enti woka say young prosecutor go for na just say one so enumja keke ena oba now you know somebody from that political party you can understand why obe tie musa you know Ekufado ni power beam so all the anima only we na obe kaning na no maybe say enya dia ebe head
okay mamema etie fo so adwene imra dia sabi ye sanso bi wa fe na waso ne radio no e dia to a wadaroma platform enegu so a etwaguo Angel 96.1 program say de ena santema nyina Ghana ma nyina momo ahafo momo Eastern region kokor no ne ade nyina ko foridua omutie sa biye bebia amafo etie yi pa ena mo abrochire mo UK amansan nom metal cancer mo ho mutie yi pa aha mame enche obibia USA Canada wherever bebia obia wo ka ho platform aye kan adwene obia hunahuna ena Ishak Bobe apanka sei or lecturer on a church nema ede eche nti eden a bebie phone lines enche na ye dia fa 0502 667 711 no so eno ene 0246 677 566 enche bia sisi ho na wo de wadwen kire aman mo a mo de comment efa yen Facebook account no so no eno eye Angel 96.1 live na what the comment afa ho ye beje break kan dia ma ena wa YouTube nso na onamo a eno ye Angel FM Kumase account na fe ne ya bie ti obetima koso sanse eden a da che achede wo ema wa wota baso na oni edi dwuma ye ma akwa babiem ne ma obibia ha driver for work Kumasi bebia onambia Bantama Echo Santas bebia onambia Charles tech driver for ketia na wo bebia o shebia no bompa say wo ye commercial driver nyame ma odwawai ena wo also driver bebia onam kwa so na wato boase nyame ema nkwa ombo ho ban man Angel emre no nie aka samba kwa say hwe kakra na mebie phone lines no Ishak MY na yente ho no said you hu enema ase and also the number of arts advertise here in radio ni TV so and social media outlets no so no see a rough film no echo from pa 8 months in a row 2025 year Bank of Ghana and this are statistics no aba I don't know kakra be kan dia fa na ewe
no adwuma sam die esse o mine no as I say your money here pa I say money here pa. Na odia yin ba ya me hwe say 10% employment adverts. Akofom no I say anya me de. But what you say? The chen say odu ani hwe ya the chen say amanfo
amanfo mi adwuma
enye willing say omo befa amanfo adwuma. That's the first implication. 10% now can sound 10% na idea esopa. So what you say? 10% no idea esopa. So we need to go behind the veil. As ye kwhwe chechri near hwe say e de be pa ene de sade na eba. Ye kan say me na bi wo me fie. I have nipa me no omo university a friend is saying ye ka say enya dia omo enya adwuma. So what you say? So adwuma era mahama ba said ye medi kan ye no na ne 24-hour economy no na mabunu no fi say oba adwuma no de another kwa ene no ye be na ye di omon beba no pa ne omon beba wia na omon beba anacho ama ade ache no no. So I'm getting worried. I'm getting worried as a politician.
I didn't try.
Said ye petumia yen somewhere yeka. You can't somewhere kasia. Afei ye can someone no sabim prejudice on near where say a bar kwan of a bit deliver. One job, 3 people, 3 shifts.
Yeah.
Now we shall mabuni and name my name rantie bufaso mahama ba is the whole
Jumara.
Hope no way. What is the support even to the private sector? See, emphasis are buying Diano Nazebia better say no almost in part 12,000 health sector. Amuntimi emfa. And no more for 9 months and 10 months, that dinner me banana and a cabinet accept 1.1 billion. No, see, also
obetria. So see, be called Granada money at Diaco.
Yeah, but you see, Emra will pay to me, no, Mra Kushia, nurses and midwife students, no. O catch from say, O crowdy, baby, o focus pa, when nipa wa pan say, Anka Uji ya.
Now what you mean?
Uji ya, no, automatic, say, appointment. That a dear picture or the catch the woman, no.
Nay, I can pardon no for one.
You can pardon one for the uncle buying, who speed out the agenda 111. But because I feel more by your real budget because I say,
no more ahead. I
there be. Okay, head and you know, correct.
The number kuku on which
say, I finish when a year. First 3 months on a buying or tisono oye or no nechino waba ako. I think somewhere end of March. Acto no ankasa dia kotuja. And the year can one 70. I only the 290 billion is supposed to be spent this year. Chip compound. No, me person me how many. So the one agenda one
hospital
chip compound.
Think.
Now you see, said ye who has summary no. Kona koko check it. All up yemfa aban bia ne first 1 year. Ni enhwe ne niema nyina na yem plotograph.
Your performance.
Summary Rodangwa Kufuado 2017. Now the flagship program what the year campaign 2008 2012 2016 no shoot no Ghana nyina butu.
Well, Kufuado edit 10 months no.
Free senior high school policy was driving the free senior high school policy. Me say that was the flagship program or the campaign here. And I'm expecting, say, so campaigning with Women's Development Bank, or campaigning with 24-hour economy, or campaigning with Nkukong, or campaigning with Big Pusher. I want to see that you are driving these policies. People are losing interest in this democracy. People are losing interest gradually. And you're not harming, no. Say, my politicians, your conversation, when you first year D and como and your policies are here rolling out. Ni won't mean cast some fan to be trim on 2 and a monk or 2 a mount. Now, dear chair, what child who know because I'm for. What you say? There are so many farmers I know my year ready say crack no Yura Mahama ba crack cocoa bottle you better on 6,500. Ya can't some no at the 2 trim ama kwado ama so otu aba on start you start kwamaya na say be possible ana we for na keta o free na keta ba be possible aba be to aba because pese otu aba ma party or no ba
e no ba mo so auditing no so be hu say sika mo for sika ka bebre cocoa board Randy Abine County, so much to Antokro Nina, said I was a what the 1 million count, or the 4 million account, and years out here. That is near Bresse Quambiasno. Ebia, on the common, and you know who do on common, Fam and Poma at Twasam now can home. Assemble when you baby, assemble when you baby Rafa. Now the catch him say, well, you know, 1 job, 3 shift, 3 people. Now, when you are now, because I'm from the Achabi. Yes, what's the Women's Development Bank? A tailor-made banking system for women. Business. Now, for Jobian himself, as in a flow on the floor of Gumana, so ama womo Eddie Womuja. What's a young woman or no year running mate here? Wouldn't say, hooray, I've fed ye, I've fed you jump former, ye bejiskapa. Say on Bayo, oh, Nana, me see besu swa keshoma and wuna say why you was I know yare down me say first 1 year na a momentum no and take it off no no yeah they said no watch my lips yes mo me dem hope ana mama year 1 na to see ya na momentum na ka na ukọ. What is here? Bono besha party pana go na pena besha na. Okay, my Manchester United to atran and right. Intense. Pray last minute zom sat in the back account. My phone like there very. So ngwa sa no mani. Oh, they no at once now I share hu no. Yeah, be phone like Sabria Mugabe mamencha pa Mr. Miller mecha ne squad mutie obia mecha no. Ala Kwame Udidwa Central Market ho Kejetia rather Kwadum side ho no mamencha no squad amutie obia otie bia no mecha no ya be lines no the amount 0246 677 566 and no any 0502 667 711 the platform no any. Hello.
Me pato me ma aha nyumri.
Ye jo so. Pato odi ne bia wo this year.
Me pato me freka person di chamso. Black one fashion you.
Very well, black.
Ma memo me bra no o boy ju ma pa. Na me fa ko me so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. He said January ko to aba ma no obedi okure ni no de akombo shata. Na me anya me mama te ni anu ma ndi fo anya wo kasa. Because omu jina simple so sama kase omu katre ye pa wo Ghana ha kala me say and nyama boy din ya pu nyama mu and omu ba ye so ye nwa de bia ya te so o ma Ghana mu and the school placement ya ye kan what and the secretary dia awofo tia enya asemtetwa na wo also be the wo no so fasinam Ghana for na ka katre mu say atia ne mu yi me see the SC bia ye 2028 ni e fa ko promote no ko
hello.
Hello. So good evening.
Good evening.
Pacho Musa mi katafi bua maya broma.
I name it you. Sabako.
Alan. Eni nkrofo mu ni timi bia ombeka fa MPP aban ho. Obi wo ho anka wo se kina, only first person wo se kina first. Alan Samatin. Nanado na mamu 8 years. The bia no nyai. Who be minister 8 years. Wakwatina abonten MPPAG abapo 2. Yambi cha oto yetu abano. 2024 no. Ena ono di nkunya kubete ni wana. Nengi nisa contest bia uyas bia watikpa contest bida. Ya wako contest. Ya tu abawa we uso watu party. Party ni enebia. Adubu wa hekura wako fund party ba hekura no. Asamulu ba wanye dia bida. DC wadi bida. One contest di dia da. Na ya no.
Bedase, hello.
Opening soja.
Awene.
Mima wajo.
Mejo so hene.
Ya krayen. O kraye ya mubina ya yira. Ya shisho sa ene ya na machinchima masakotu.
Very well.
No program no se osisanu e de ba awia.
Okay.
Wa wunia Simon Kongo ni swame.
Say awia. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays.
Nyankopon onshira. Na tia ninia Isaac. Michere ketua bi propaganda na kachen se wonya na mamona John Dramani Mahama ebu ebe. Kana form to abama John Dramani Mahama no. Omoni so chese die Isaac no ye sika mo wi ye ebi ni so obiri kwase se yamfa ye former president Akufo-Addo enko court edika se Isaac anka se dia dance oba be sika ekopie ni dem betimi ne edi na ye fa ho kwame na soja ije keche gara man se ye mo pen pa John Dramani Mahama na papa no eno mo di to kom corruption ni kwa infano ni na to becha.
Yeah, that's it. Simon Kongo. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. But you didn't be
so far yes
boss.
Okay, now Mahama Emsa and some of Candia campaign on and the university. And some of your campaign was saying, and so already up under the university. A new portsman, like I think when you're 10 months. I hope I don't back. Or can't say obey for education the first 10 months. No, I what's the best program say 10 months of the what's it? And some of Mahama 24 hours one day. Now me catch him say. Me also back the same Akufo-Addo on also go to my who I don't know to that's important. That Akufo-Addo I go to Christopher and but me also go to most important. If you are reckoning the edge point him. I can't jam at the na DJ. They make it to move the up and they say they are now. If you president 2028 Canada Japan and one of the enemy.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Obi Wekabi, hello. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
We want to Odini baby ao. That's a great deal.
Yeah, me shout. 8 years now. Me be.
Oh, Nela na Hannah. Hello. Good evening.
Soja, good evening.
Good evening.
Soja, original ID kaya ba ni Metapepa. Soja.
Yet you.
Na member about na mentia Asante region. We our team board papa ni to giver. Wama Asante manya Asante manya dey dey. Na soja. Me say MP before they can you question for mo pasa Asante manya. What you am MP about the 8 years. Operuko market one yet. Premier hospital one yet. About the new choir a lead to compare you. What the two to find at the fire. I'm a net and total little to do for the car. What I think I sent my matter with the MPP.
Yeah, that's it. Hello. Good afternoon, good evening. Maybe I can come. If I don't then I won't mean clarity of voice in patrol. Line up. Oh, line up. Hello. The line up. I just don't kakra. Sa puso our money be 0246 677 566. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho dini baby awo.
If I saw me the driving team, make us a free trapper.
Oh, he needs you.
Your mom penny, Mahama, you know, a Bora giant. When I board the Russia, so bar. Me, Kofina, me, Cassia. Papa, what's your bet your university for?
obi a wo ye adwuma ma oman no wontua ne ka 6 months 8 months 10 months wontua ne ka wo what's the university o mo ko school foforo no ni be ti o mo ka me a man go school da gra me nye sa de we na wo mampanyi mu a na obi a wo no ko university wotua ne ka na de wo ye adwuma ma oman na koso no what's the mean tua ne ka okoka ya mo say eba sro mampanyi se onfa no mangugu akwem because said you see car say obey economy one bibia e basa
you better say obi so be ka bi hello good evening
another kwa
oyene
another kwa we dey wa dipa isa offense kokote
isa offense boko
another offense boko MC so watch out papa
amese cha honorable amwa
nana Frank Usamu auto chao nana da kwa wamencha chief of staff Honorable Debra wamencha the champion chairman nana kusi na mencha kwa daja regional minister nana da kwa the soldier kakra baka ke brother da ya papa ishak no say ahomu no ye de omamu 80 good years omam perform omo perform na ye 4 Ghana ko jawo mu Ghana ko bufu mu and that my papa ba and nyema is don Yakubu Dramani mama African president wo hye no and man no ko yi aninu kakra kakra eba garam se su nso ni e kakra munita
no amwa yemfansia na ya papa Ishak ya bra bibia on cry na onko
ohun say uchi omo free ni nyina the verdict is very clear. If we say emrena ye wo mu no enyemre di eniema eye no kokwasa sao edrum pempenso bi anana wo akora to samri ya wani ombo wani ntie no na akora no onyini o tete hono na ye ko secondary school no ne ko no 5 years.
That's true. And
sana oko A level aka wana 7 years oko university 3 years and in that time we be job market no we be pay adwuma aye because we ko school awie no na a delay but what you say na say me wo mo no you know one no oko JHS we na 3 years oko SHS na 4 years we university. Yes, and it's what and is akra no wo na enche nana no do time I say we school ntentema wo be pay adwuma aye enti siase ye be chichire wo man na ya boa na emu apagya na anyini a and this intimi me catch them say the target growth for this year 4.5%. Now even 3.9 and I go 4.5%. We should be growing at somewhere 6.5-7%. What is here? We've got to dream very big.
You have to dream very big. It's a